morning. So today I'm at a property between Windermere and Ambleside, and it's quite a large property, so it's going to take me a few days, but I'll show you around. So a beautiful location. On here, there's a lot of green algae on there. And then on this wall, again, quite bad. You see up at the top. And around there. But an issue possibly with the chimney. And I won't really know until I start treating that, whether that will clean up. I'm hoping it's just going to clean up. Looks to be quite a bit of moss on there, so, but I'll do that over the next couple of days. So I've just finished this property now, and I've done the front and the side. So it was very green on this bit here. That's all gone. And up the top there, on the porch, and
cleaning videos on YouTube. South Lakes Cleaning Service. Render cleaning in Lake District. Render cleaning in Cumbria. Softwashing render cleaning in Cumbria.
thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and subscribe for future videos. See you on the next one.